Hi guys, welcome to Food Fantasy World. Today we are making high protein recipe. Tur dal 1 cup, water 2 cups, pressure cook for 3 whistles. Meanwhile, chop the garlic, onions, green chilies, tomato. Tur dal cooked well. Now take a pan, oil 2 tablespoons, mustard seeds 1 tablespoon, cumin seeds 1 tablespoon, whole red chilies 2, red garlic chopped 1 tablespoon, green chilies 1 chopped onion 1 medium size, saute for 2 minutes on medium heat, chopped tomatoes 1 full, salt as per taste, red chili 1 tablespoon, turmeric half tablespoon, give a nice mix, cover and cook for 5 minutes on medium heat. Boil dal, water 2 cups, mix, cover and cook for 5 minutes on medium heat. Now it's ready to serve. Top add coriander. Cook for 2 minutes. Close for 2 minutes. Now serve with rice. If you guys like my videos, please like, share and subscribe. Press bell icon whenever I upload new video, get notified. Thanks for watching. See ya. Bye.